Today I'm testing Google's newest AI model, Nano Banana 2. It's faster and way cheaper than Nano Banana Pro, so we are going to put it to the test and see how they actually compare. I'm running my top 5 architecture workflows through both models. For these tests, I'm using the ChatLLM app by AbacusAI. It packs all the most popular AI models into one single platform for just $10 a month. So, let's kick things off with number 1, Viewport screenshots to realistic renders. Okay, now here inside ChatLLM, I'm gonna go here to the top. And if you leave this by default, it will generate by selecting the best AI model. So here you have several different AI models you can select. But I want to generate with Nano Banana 2 and Nano Banana Pro. So I'm select first Nano Banana 2. And I want to generate this quite fast. So I want to check the time and how good the quality is in comparison to the Nano Banana Pro. So here I'm going to click Upload from Computer. And I have this SketchUp House Viewport screenshot. So I'm going to click Open. And it's uploading. And now for my prompt, I just type modern house, lawn, Mediterranean vegetation, midday sun, and the most important, don't change the camera view. So I don't want AI to create other views other than the one I have on my image. So with this, I'm just going to press here, generate. And we have already our image. So it took 51 seconds, and this is the image it generated. So now let's generate with Nano Banana Pro and compare the results. So I'm just going to go here on the top and select Nano Banana Pro. Now I can go here and select Add from Files. Since I already uploaded, I can already select the ones that are available here. So SketchUp House Viewport, select, and the prompt will be exactly the same. So just press Send. All right, interesting enough, this one didn't say how many seconds it took, but since I'm recording non-stop, I can tell you that it took this amount of seconds that you can see here on the screen. And so we have here the results. We can compare them both. And to be honest, I actually think from both images, one that is better than the other. For example, I think the lighting and the grass is much better on the Nano Banana 2. Actually, everything overall, I think it looks better than on Nano Banana Pro. Have a closer look. This one is much more bluish light. The grass is not so good. Vegetation also doesn't look as great. Nano Banana 2 looks so much better in this specific image. And we have these stairs that was going down. I think it tried to kept, but here didn't understand. So I think here that it failed on this side. This one, I think it kept, even though we don't see because of the vegetation, but it looks a little bit more believable. But overall, I think the other image looks so much better. Yeah, even the pool looks so much better than the Nano Banana Pro. So yeah, I would give a winner here to the Nano Banana 2 SketchUp Viewport. By the way, before we move to the next point, I also want to try with the interior to see if it does perform well as well, Nano Banana 2 and Nano Banana Pro. So I am going to upload here an image, and it's going to be this one here. And for the prompt, it's going to be an extensive one. I am just going to leave it here on the screen so you can read it. Anyway, you can pause this video if you want just to copy the prompt, but I'm also going to leave the prompt in the description below. I'll just press here to send. And so it took a little bit longer, 50 seconds, but we do have a very nice interior here. Some of the areas are not super accurate. For example, the cabinets go until they don't have, there's no ceiling here. They go higher than this, and it did put a ceiling here. So it was not accurate on this, but overall, I think the image looks quite nice. You see, even when we try to zoom in to specific areas, everything looks quite accurate. And again, this is another thing that I always say with AI. For me, it's a tool that will give you very quick results and you can go from there. So I'm not saying that this will be your final production image, but you can quickly generate images, kind of like a mood board, and you can go from there. So I think that AI is really powerful in this sense. But let's try now with Nano Banana Pro. So the same image and exactly the same prompt. So here's the Nano Banana Pro. It's quite similar to the other one. We have some differences, especially on the hardware for the kitchen. On the right side here in this section, I don't think it looks good as well. The Nano Banana 2 didn't look good as well. The project doesn't have two floors like this, like the stairs. I think it's trying to figure out that the stairs continue going up here, and so it added this section. It's okay because I wasn't very specific on this point, but in the project this is actually a mezzanine area for sleeping, so it doesn't have this section. That's fine. The bad part is that it also added a ceiling here, which I don't have in the project and on the Viewport screenshot. Now, for both images, either Nano Banana 2 or Nano Banana Pro, I think they are very similar here. I wouldn't say that one is better than the other, and they both took more or less the same time. So probably for this one, I would go with Nano Banana 2 because it usually everywhere costs less credits than Nano Banana Pro. Now for the second part, for the environment building, I went to 3D Sky and I searched for vegetation that I would like to have on my project. And so what I did is, let's say I want to have this, and I just copy here the image, and then I went to Photoshop and I just pasted all of these elements as a collage in my main render, in my main screenshot from the SketchUp viewport, sorry. Now I go to the ChatLLM, and with Nano Banana 2 selected, I am going to add here my image, and I'm going to actually paste the same exact prompt. And so let's see what it will generate, if it will keep all my assets in place. All right, here's the image. Actually, I like it. It kept the most important part into place. We do have this part correct. We have the tree here. I like it. We have some shrubs. It's not exactly the same shrubs, but it's nice to capture the idea. This agglomerate of shrubs it kept here, also the pine trees in the background. So let's see what Nano Banana Pro now can generate in comparison to this one that just took 24 seconds. So change to Nano Banana Pro, same, and let's type. And so here we have the result. This one, I think it's a little bit more desaturated than the other one, and I do prefer the other one, to be honest. And it didn't cap the image correctly, because here we have on the foreground more assets, and these ones are quite different. And here also doesn't have the assets that are here. So I didn't think that it follows so well my prompt and my image as good as Nano Banana 2. So I'll give the win here again to Nano Banana 2. Now let's move on to the next comparison, which is changing the time of day. So I will be uploading now one of these images that we created, and for the prompt I'm just going to write change to golden hour mode. And so I selected Nano Banana 2. I'm just going to press send and let's wait. And here's the first result with Nano Banana 2. So it took 37 seconds, and I think the result looks quite nice. I didn't specify where I want the sun position, but it gave me the sun hitting one side of the facade, which gives it a more depth and dimensions to the building. So overall, this looks quite good. Now let's check with the same thing, but with Nano Banana Pro. And so here's the one that Nano Banana Pro made. And this one looks quite nice as well. But there's always something that I prefer with the Nano Banana 2. And I think it's the lighting and the colors that you see here are with a little bit more saturation and more lively in comparison to the Pro model. And with the Pro model, for example, I think that, at least for me, it looks like the sun, it's more on this side, with the shadows being here. It doesn't make much sense. But the grass does look a little bit better than the version we have here, with more variation. But still, again, I'll have to go with the Nano Banana 2 for this. So this is the winner for me. So next up, we have changing seasons. And so I will select the same image, actually change first to Nano Banana 2, or else you lose the upload like I did here. And now I'm going to select it. So we're going to change the season. Right now, it's more like a summer day, and say here, change this to winter. I'm not going to be specific on which type of trees and etc. because, for example, these pine trees, they don't drop lives on the winter, so they are not leafless. So I want to see if it will accumulate some of the snow on the trees as well. So just do this and press OK to send. And here's the result. So it took 27 seconds, it was quite fast. Looks like winter. Some of this vegetation would already be dead because I don't think this lavanda would be with flowers with this type of environment. But still, it can give you a pretty close idea of how it will look like, this image, this project in a snow environment. So let's try now with Nano Banana Pro. Alright, so the Nano Banana Pro took 18 seconds, so it was quite less comparison to Nano Banana 2. And for this one, I actually prefer the version from Nano Banana Pro, because if you compare here, this one, it looks like it still has some of the elements from the daytime, especially here the sky. It looks a little bit strange. But Nano Banana Pro was able to completely change this around, and we have a more diffuse light and neutral colors here. So for this test, and even though we still have the flowers in winter, but I'm gonna let that one pass for now. Probably if I was specific, saying that shouldn't have any flowers, maybe it would be removed. But again, we're just testing here how good it is from the first try. So I'm gonna give the winner here to the Nano Banana Pro. Lastly, let's transform these perspective views into 2D floor plans. So Nano Banana 2, let's load here the same image, and for the prompt, I'm gonna say this: convert this 3D perspective into a precise 2D architectural floor plan and wall elevations. Render as a clean black and white technical CAD drawing, maintaining the exact layout and proportions. Alright, again, 26 seconds. I'm starting to see a pattern here that Nano Banana 2 usually takes around 20 to 30 seconds every image. And yeah, we have the deck area, the pool. We are missing a little bit of section here, but overall looks quite decent. Let's try now with Nano Banana Pro. Alright, Nano Banana finished, and I think it's here where we can see a big difference with Nano Banana Pro comparing to Nano Banana 2 as well. When it's more complex tasks, I think it's worth going for the Nano Banana Pro. And so you can see here already why. We have here this section that didn't exist in Nano Banana 2. So it wasn't able to give us this accuracy as with the Nano Banana Pro. And also the stairs. We have here some stairs which we don't have in the Nano Banana 2. So for this one, I'll say that Nano Banana Pro is the winner. So looking at these results, I think Nano Banana 2 is an absolute beast for the vast majority of tasks. It's super fast and definitely easier on the budget. Honestly, the only time I see myself switching over to Nano Banana Pro is for heavy, complex jobs, like generating precise floor plans, orthographic views, or when you need something highly specific. If you want a deeper dive into the Pro model, I highly recommend checking out my dedicated video on it. I'll drop that link in the description below. Again, everything you saw today was created using ChatLLM. Like I mentioned, having all these top-tier AI tools under one roof for just $10 a month is a total game changer compared to juggling a bunch of expensive separate subscriptions. If you got some value out of this, hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.